Senthil Kumar, Associate Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering. I am proud to encourage my volunteers for attending their presentation on SNC key-based analysis of vibration mechanism of a belt drive using IoT devices. So this will be deliberated by my student volunteers, project volunteers. They have done the project before for this 4-year as outcome. This project will be deliberated by my batch students of these 4 volunteers. Please explain one by one by 5 6
Good morning. I am Vasant Kumar. I am studying final year mechanical engineering at School College. And my guide is Dr. C. Sanjay Kumar sir, and our HOD is Dr. Subramanian sir. I am going to explain about empathy and define. But empathy is a stage where we have to identify the problem. In this we have a problem like vibration, temperature, and speed RPM. In define stage we are identifying and elaborately seeing the problem and what are the solutions we have to rectify in that system.
Okay, myself Praveen Kumar, and I am studying in final mechanical engineering at Business College of Technology. As Vasant explained about the different process, we get 10 or 20 number of solutions in different process. So we want to procure a specific unique solution in which it will help for the society. For that, we have used generative AI, where our previous project have used machine learning, only deliberately used machine learning. But we have included generative AI and IoT, which are 2 different branches, including main of 70% mechanical we use. And our project guide C. Senthil Kumar sir have helped to do the large scale project. And next Bharat will continue.
Good morning to everyone. Now I explain about the process of testing. Here in the prototype model, sensors and the motors and belt drives are indicated for detecting the vibrations and how the exactly the machine will run, and the vibrations are sensor using in the model. In the previous system, we are not able to analyze the RPM and the belt speed of the unit and how the problems are arrived in the monitoring, and it helps to monitoring whenever the problems and where the exactly located in the pointed locations, and it helps to solve the issues already in the arriving stage also, and it helps to prevent the industrial based and modeled process. Then thank you.
My name is M. Suresh Kumar. I am going to explain about prototype. This is our small prototype by belt drive. By using motor, the belt drive will run, and we calculate by different types of using sensors like the temperature we calculate, and RPM and vibration sensors. We use to calculate this 3 by using IoT. We created an app. In that app we see the calculation of these 3s, and if any fault is there, we put the calculations in generative AI, and the fault will shown in the app itself. So this is our prototype.
Okay, the main goal of the idea is the prototype will test. It will exchange. If we do a prototype, we will test. If in this any mistake is there, again the prototype we will change it. In prototype, and again it will go to test. So the prototype and test are the main exchanging process. And thank you for.
Okay, very good presentation, dear volunteers. My project students. So, do you represent any other person who helped indirectly to do the project?
Yes, sir.
Who are they? Please acknowledge them.
Sir, in MechLab equipments, they help us to how the dimension of the belt drive will be, and how much current we can give, like the 7 mAh or all the helped by the MechLab equipments coordinator, Ananda Subramanian sir.
Very good. who also helped to bring out this project along with our idea.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Do you want to represent any other thing on this project?
Sir, and about the IoT things, my senior brother has told me deliberately to do project in IoT because in today's mechanical industry, not everything is 100% mechanical. The mechanical industry itself evolving like 30 years before it was fully there, now it is doing in CNC. So everything is evolving, so we want to do a project with combined industry.
Okay. Would you like to say anything about the project? How it will be helpful for your job opportunity?
Yes, sir, I will explain it briefly. In the job opportunity, it will helps for more opportunities to detecting problem arriving units of machines, and when the problem is arrived, there only give the solution. It is used to give the solution to arriving problems and solve many of the small problems, and used to monitoring how the machine functions and how it useful for transforming mechanical to IoT based systems. And IoT is the main agentic process to analyze what is the problem went in the machines, unit systems, and give the correct feedback to the particular industries also. This is the feedback from me about this prototype.
What are the difficulties you faced while doing this project?
We faced on motor and we faced to collect the sensor.
Show the sensor.
One of the sensors we used temperature sensor and RPM sensor, and this is a vibration sensor we used in this our projects. We used 7000 mAh battery to run the motor, and we used sensor, used alarm for any fault is there, the alarm will ring. That's all.
Any other representation regarding design thinking on this project? Experience? Okay. Thank you very much, my dear volunteer, for making this project very fruitful. Thank you very much once again. Thank you.
Thank you.